Officially. We're up.
No, it's not like
Yeah?
it's not like 27 package never go up on a bike before it have. But it's 27 what size package?
Alright.
Yeah.
Tell them again. Never under.
That you know? Yes. We call them a dog ears. The package are dog ears topper.
Puppy ears.
Yeah, puppy ears on the side. Well, if you ride on your man, then you just circle back and pick it up. Just spin around and pick it up because you don't know how to go on.
Oh,
What side I ready I tackle today, my boss?
well, we're touching a Spanish town, Portmore. I'm back in Kingston.
All right, that's I heard.
Right, round one
Yeah.
circle.
What about to?
Eh? Oh, Olaba. Don't forget.
Yes.
Olaba. All right.
Man, I tackle the world. One man and a yang yang. Eh? Machine.
Machine for days. Machine for
Look
days.
out. Tap up on your doorstep.
All right.
You hear the ding dong, you don't know who.
Actually, preview. Give them a little ride out. Yeah.
Yeah, we'll get you right out.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? A prank, you know. Just put stuff for sure, you know. Real people, real stuff. Alright? Ready?
I don't think you should take that right stand before you go right in there, brother. Yo! You might take it off at the stand. Machine.
Watch more. Now swing two side. Now ready for the room.
Oh, I'm bad.